Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when your Binance deposit or withdrawal was suspended. So there are a few reasons why it happened. The most common would be is that Binance itself is going under maintenance. Basically, you will see that there is like a time and you can set a reminder when this will be fixed. The same goes with the website. And now, another thing can be that you haven't set up all of your account verifications. So, for example, if you haven't set up your government issued ID, personal information, facial recognition, and questionnaire, you will not be able to use Binance and deposit it or withdraw because Binance just doesn't allow it. So you need to go ahead and verify yourself basically. Another thing you can try is go ahead and clear the cache and third-party cookies on your Google Chrome. For example, if you're using this browser, if you're using a different browser, it's still the same. Go to your settings of your Chrome. From here, go to privacy and security, and you will see that clear browsing data. So here you can go ahead and choose cookies and others hide data and catch images and files. You can try to clean this up. Maybe it will help you with that. But basically, most of the time, it's just verification issues or wallet maintenance. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel and I will see you next time. Bye.